Masterful segue.
What masterful segue? I think I got to go again. I have no idea what's going on.
When I breathe in, what should my diaphragm do if I breathe in? It should expand, Gina, you're right. And then when I breathe out, comes back in. The problem is,
if you hear a grinding or screeching noise that sounds like this, it's likely a worn-out compressor, or
He's turning and accelerating at the same time.
Finance news brought to you by My State Bank. Excuse me, the Australian stock market has closed slightly.
This is a normal Razer keyboard, and this is Bubble Heaven.